how to change default PDF viewer on an Android or Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default app that opens up PDF files on your Android phone or your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is open up the Files app on our Android phone, and on a Samsung phone, it's called the My Files app. On an Android phone, it's going to be called Files. So once you get into the files, go ahead and find the location of the PDF file that you want to open up. So I'm going to go to Docs, and then I'll find the PDF file. I'm going to long press the PDF file, and there should be a menu that comes up on your phone. It might be at the top, it might be at the bottom, but look for three dots that say More, and we're just going to select Open With. So once you do that, it'll show you first the default PDF viewer on your Android phone, and all we need to do is select the one that we want it to be, and then select Always. So now when I open up PDFs, they're going to open with that default app that I chose, which was PDF Reader. So I'll go back to the Files app, and I'm just going to open up a different PDF. And as you can see, it'll open it up in the PDF Reader right there, as you can see. So that's how you change the default PDF viewer on your Android or Samsung phone. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out.